Good day. Today I want to talk a little bit about Excel, all the different things that we are going to do in Excel. When you open Excel, you open a blank or you open a workbook. Now in Excel we work with workbooks, that is your whole document, and then also worksheets. Your worksheets will all be at the bottom here. When you open your blank Excel document, you will see that there's already a sheet 1 at the bottom. Some of them might have a sheet 2 already. If I want to rename those sheets, say for instance, I am creating my mark sheet for all my level 4s. I don't want to create a different workbook for each level 4 class. I'd rather make one workbook with different worksheets in it. So I've got 3 level 4 groups. At the moment there's only one worksheet available. There should be a little plus sign that says new sheet. As soon as I click on it, the second sheet will open up, and if I click on it again, there will be 3 sheets. I want to rename those sheets. I don't want them to be sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. When I go to sheet 1, I click on it and I right click on it. My little menu bar comes on where I can either insert, delete, rename, move or copy with all the options. I want to rename it. As soon as I click on rename, the word sheet 1 will be highlighted. Now I can type in any name or the given name that I have to type in there. Let's say this is level 4 DA. Once I've renamed it, I press enter so that it can be saved. If I go to sheet 2, click on it, right click, rename, level 4, DB, enter, sheet 3, right click, rename, level 4, FA, enter. Now I have renamed my sheets. Now when I do my work, I know exactly in which sheet what will be. Depending on which sheet I was working, I click on that sheet so that I can open it up. Now, in the exam or in the assessments, the only way that you'll be able to show me that you have renamed the sheets will be to make a print screen. So after you've renamed the sheets and did all the other changes that they ask you, you press print screen and then you minimize, you open a blank Word document, and you click on paste, and now there I can see that you have renamed your sheets at the bottom there. Going back to Excel, you can also move your sheets around. As soon as you click on a sheet at the bottom and you hold in your click, you will see that in your mouse pointer, there's your little page and there's an arrow that appears. Wherever you drag it and wherever the arrow appears, you can now drop that sheet that you want to move. So click on FA, let's put it in the front. Let's put DB at the back. So when I click, I hold in and I drag it until my arrow is moved. I can now move it to another space. If I need to delete a sheet, once again, right click on the sheet, click on delete, and the sheet will be deleted. If I want to add a sheet, I click on the plus, new sheet, and a new sheet will be there. Right click, click on rename, and it becomes highlighted and I can call it whatever I want to call it. Press enter after I've typed in my sheet name. Thank you.